What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Matwire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And just like that, let's get into today's video. So I bought some of these mirror caps off of Amazon. They're not real carbon fiber mirror caps. I think that's where the issue is. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So this is the mirror cap on the passenger side. It looks pretty good considering its age. And also considering that before I moved here, I didn't have a garage, so my car was never put in a garage or kept in a garage. So this was always exposed to the elements. But if you go over to the driver's side, let me show you guys. This one's peeling very, very bad, as you can see. So I tried to cover it up or just paint in some clear coat. As you can see, like the old line of where it used to be. But I guess the clear coat didn't seal correctly, so it's peeling back even further. And there's also peeling down here as well. So honestly, I just think it really takes away from the look of the vehicle. It's a huge eyesore. You know, once I get my car nice and clean, everything looks good. And then you just see the mirror cap peeling like that. Was it worth buying it? I think so. You know, like I said, I've had them for a while and my car wasn't always garage kept. So the fact that it lasted this long, for not being real carbon fiber, I think that's pretty good. So what I'm going to be doing today is reinstalling the OEM mirror caps and replacing those ones until I get either some real carbon fiber ones or I just get like fake carbon fiber ones. But for right now, I don't like the way it looks, so I'm going to go ahead and replace them. So with that being said, I have my OEM mirror caps. I actually just wrapped them in the bubble wrap that those carbon fiber ones came in and just kept them just in case I ever need them again, which I'm glad I did. For those of you that want to change your mirror caps, I'm about to show you guys how to do that. Even though I'm putting on the OEM ones, it's the same process. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is remove this mirror. And in order to do that, you're going to need a trim removal kit. I actually got this from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. But you pretty much just want to get the trim removal kit and then get it behind the mirror. And if you're having trouble, it might be easier to move your mirror, get inside your vehicle and move your mirror all the way to one side or the other, so that way you can get behind it a little easier. You want to make sure you're being very, very gentle with this. I have broken a mirror by trying to do this install. Actually, the first time I installed these carbon fiber mirror caps, I actually broke the passenger side one. So you want to make sure you be very, very gentle. There are some clips behind the mirror holding it in place. So what I like to do is just hold the mirror while I'm gently kind of pulling it forward. And once again, very important, make sure you're holding the mirror, because if not, it will break, trust me. And as you can see right there, it just kind of comes off. As you can see, once you get it off, it will just kind of hang just like that. On the back you can see the clips that hold it into place. Once you get it off, you're going to want to remove some tabs which are holding the mirror cap in place. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a little closer look. So in order to get off the mirror cap, there's 3 clips holding it in place. There's one right here, and right here as well. So they're kind of come into the hole and buck out like that. So what you're going to want to do is pinch the clip and push on all 3 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and work on this far one first. So I'm gonna pinch it, and then pull it out just like that, and it clips out of place. Same with the other one up here or over here. We'll start with this one over here. Pinch and then pull. This one's being a little stubborn. So if it's giving you some trouble, you can go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver to kind of help you. And just like that, it comes right out. And just so you guys see what I'm talking about, these are little mechanisms that go into the hole. So you pinch and then push through just like that to get it off. Now this old dusty carbon fiber one is off. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the old OEM one. So this is the OEM one, just plain gloss black. It's the one that came with the car. A lot easier to install the mirror cap than uninstall. Literally all you do is line it up with everything. Make sure it's lined up with the holes, and you just push. Just like that. So you just want to make sure that all the prongs are through the holes, and then once you make sure that it's nice and secure, that's about it. And you can go ahead and put the mirror back on. Once again, get it lined up with all the clips and push it back in place. Make sure that It's not loose anywhere. And just like that, you've installed the mirror cap. So just so you guys can see the difference, that is the OEM mirror cap that I just put back on as compared to the M Sport carbon fiber one. This one does look a lot more aggressive, but I don't think I'll buy another M Sport one unless it's real carbon fiber, or if I just go gloss black, because I don't want the fake carbon fiber fading. So since I just installed the mirror cap on the driver's side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same process on the passenger side, and then get back with you guys afterwards. So as you guys just saw, I went ahead and finished up with the passenger side mirror cap. So let me go ahead and give you guys a frontal view of what it looks like. Honestly, I'm okay with it. I didn't really like the stock mirror caps when I got the M Sport ones, but I think it looks a lot cleaner, to be honest, especially with the smoked out sequential turn signal. I think it looks super clean, and honestly, I don't think I will get another set of M Sport mirror caps. Let me know what you guys think down below. Should I order some more M Sport mirror caps, or should I just stick with the OEM ones? Yeah, they look super clean. So quick little DIY install. I just wanted to get that knocked out because, like I said, the old ones, it was a huge eyesore. With that being said, I'm not knocking the fake carbon fiber Amazon mirror caps. They worked well for me. You know, they served their purpose for the 8-9 months that I had them. I know a big factor why mine started peeling is kind of power washed my car, and I'm pretty sure one day I got too close to the fake carbon fiber and the gloss just started peeling back, and then it was just downhill from there. But if you really take care of your car, just make sure you're not getting too close to it with the power washer. I do recommend the fake carbon fiber mirror caps. They're inexpensive and they look pretty good on the vehicle. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can get the carbon fiber mirror caps if you want to. But just like that, that wraps up today's video. If you like this video or helped you out in any way, give it a thumbs up, and just like that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.